Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The observed specific rotation of a mixture depends on the enantiomeric axis, E, and the composition of the sample. A racemic mixture has a specific rotation of 0 degrees because equal amounts of R and S enantiomers cancel each other out. Moving on to the next step. The observed rotation is plus 6.76 degrees, and the pure S enantiomer gives plus 13.52 degrees. The ratio is 6.76 13.52 is equal to 0.50, meaning the enantiomeric axis, E, is 50%. This means 50% of the sample is pure S,2-butanol in excess. Moving on to the next step. An E of 50% means that 50% of the sample contributes net rotation as pure S and the other 50% contributes zero net rotation. The 50% that contributes zero rotation must be a racemic mixture equal R and S, since a racemic mixture has alpha is equal to 0. And for the final step, if the sample is 50% pure S and 50% racemic mixture, then the 50% racemic portion contains 25% S and 25% R. Total S is equal to 50% plus 25% equals 75% S. Total R is equal to 25% R. Net rotation is equal to 0.75 times plus 13.52 plus 0.25 times 13.52 is equal to 10.143.38 is equal to plus 6.76 degrees. This confirms the composition is 50% S and 50% racemic. A. 50% S, 50% impurity. An impurity with zero rotation would give alpha is equal to 0.50 times 13.52 is equal to plus 6.76, which is mathematically consistent, but distillation purifies the compound. An impurity scenario is unlikely and not the best chemical interpretation. B. 50% S, 50% R. This would be a racemic mixture giving alpha is equal to 0, not plus 6.76. D. Some other mixture. This is vague and not the most precise conclusion given the clean 50% E result. Option C correctly describes the mixture as 50% S enantiomer combined with 50% racemic mixture, which mathematically and conceptually accounts for the observed plus 6.76 degrees rotation. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.